I reckon we'll see how good, bad, or ugly these are. They're taped together so the package weighed 36 pounds. A lot lighter than a single, that is for sure. Especially the one that's on the white car. And well, got a whole box of goodies just picked up. The hot side they didn't get used from my buddy Brett. Bought that stuff. I did go ahead and shorten it and get one turbo on there. And then I got a couple $100. Some wastegates, 2 of those bad boys. Blow off valve. So that's cool. And then a couple other few things in here. So cool deal. Got these little adapters too. So as I start to do it, thought about sending it back, but it kind of set an angle, kind of weird. I measured for accessories. Just be happier here. This actually sits a bit more canted, but because I plan on putting the inlet there, but it'll be fine. I know a dimension of a radiator that'll work perfect there. Cool find, have good history with them. But yeah, having a fun time. Well, that is that. Got to move that angle just a little bit and it tilts it back, but you get the gist. Got to do some adjusting. But there she is, all twin turboed up. So, be pretty cool. I don't know. Hopefully it works okay. Overall, I'd say that was a constructive day and weekend there. Got plenty of room for downpipes to go through. I'm kind of still trying to decide if I want exhaust or just, I think it sounds sick out the bumper. And I am now $73.81 in this. I've been tracking everything I've been buying. And then, if you guys saw, this car came with a bunch of other stuff. And I've like almost sold all that stuff off. I just lack like 1 or 2 more things to sell off. And then I'll be spending some more money. But I've just been taking that money I've been making and putting that money back in it. So overall, pretty awesome.